Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the pause on detach function on the music player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the last option, the settings. Here you can find the pause on detach option, the toggle for pausing playback when headphone is detached. And if you want to enable, just click to the next card icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.